What will she do? So we're finally getting Slaghammer back out to the track again. This year has not gone as planned. We had wanted to get out a bunch of times, and it's just one thing after another, weather, dog sitter scheduling, and so we finally got all of the stars aligned, and now we can get this thing back out. So to recap, we ran it a couple of times earlier this year. We've got a total of 5 runs on the car. I know it seems like it should be a lot more than that, but we've only got a total of 5 runs on this car so far. And the first time out, we found that the converter was getting tighter and tighter and tighter. So we swapped out the converter. And that didn't really help any, because the next time we took the car out, it went even slower. It felt a little bit snappier off the starting line, but it went slower overall. So where we last left off, we found a collapsed fuel supply line on the suction side of the pump. So we had been fighting a fuel starvation issue. Just one thing after another. But to recap even further back, for you guys who aren't familiar with the origins of this, because we've always got new viewers coming along. So this is Slaghammer. It's a 67 Valiant on a truck frame, a Dodge D100 frame. Why did you do that? It's so silly. Because it's cool. Because it looks like a toy. So the engine that's in here now is an essentially stock 383 that we built for Power Tour last year, Power Tour 2022. And the car went and did Power Tour. Had no problems. We were never supposed to run this engine at the track, really. It was supposed to, after Power Tour, this was supposed to come out and get replaced with a hotter engine. But, you know, you got to see what it's going to do. So the first time out, after Power Tour, the car ran an 812. And it had been going slower and slower ever since. So now, we've got the fuel supply issue repaired. We've got a good converter in here, and it seems to be doing everything it's supposed to do. Motor sounds good. So now we're going to run it over to Etheridge, US 43 Dragway over in Lawrenceburg. It's a nice little track. I was there once before with an alcohol funny car, a friend of mine. So we're going to head over there now and put a run or two on this. The goal is anything in the 7s. 7999999, and I'm thrilled with it, because then this motor comes out and we put the good motor in. But I can't take this engine out until it sees a 7-second 1/8 mile. That's not too much to ask, right? So let me finish loading this thing up, and in the meantime, enjoy a quick montage of us going to the track. It's a little chilly here tonight. Doesn't want to warm up. The intake manifold's still cold. So I have not touched the carburetors or really any other aspect of the car's tune-up. It's been so long, I don't even remember what jets are in this thing, but it doesn't matter. We're just going to try to go get everything fast. Timing's locked out at 34 degrees. It's got a fresh set of plugs in it. Let's see what it's going to do. Etheridge, this is the first time we're actually running anything here. This is a really nice track. So just a regular test and tune night. There's a lot of first-rate cars here. Like, this thing is totally out of place. This is, you know, it's like gas or old school type of thing. These guys are hardcore. Very cool cars. But that's all besides the point. Let me get this thing over in the staging lanes and see what she's going to do. Stop filming me. Okay, so that wasn't bad. We ended up running an 823 at 82 miles an hour. But we had a 178 60 foot, which is this car's best 60 foot ever. It didn't do anything wrong. The run was nice and clean. It didn't miss, it didn't do anything. I think I need to shift a little bit sooner first to second, and I think I need to load the converters just a little bit more off the start line. The first time I hit it, I wanted to leave just from dead idle. So I hit green and I flat punched it. It wasn't warm enough and it backfired up to the carburetors. So we backed up and we sent it again. So I'm happy with that. I'm happy with that. It's a step in the right direction. I'm going to put it in the lanes now, and it's fully warm. Let's see what she's going to do. $7.99, $7.99.999. I'll be thrilled. Here's your glasses. Oh, we didn't get it. 828. I lost 400ths on the 60 foot. I think it spun a revolution when I hit it. But the mile an hour stayed the same at 82. The air is really good here, and I think this thing is just lean. So we didn't get it. I really wanted that 7. We didn't get it, but we're getting closer. The car just runs good. It has no real deficits. It just needs to be tuned, and it's a stock 383. It's like, what do you want from a stock 383 and 3,400 pounds? We wanted 7. We wanted $7.99. That's what we want. And we're going to get it the next time. I'll see you tomorrow.